Welcome to a journey through ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science. Today, we're diving into one of the most profound philosophical statements in human history. Form is emptiness, and emptiness is form. These 6 words have captivated the minds of sages, mystics, and philosophers for centuries, and now even physicists. This ancient insight, thought to be poetic, symbolic, and metaphorical, has found surprising resonance in the strange, counterintuitive world of quantum physics. So, who said these famous words? What do they actually mean? And, perhaps most surprisingly, how can modern science help us understand the true nature of reality through this phrase? Grab your curiosity and sense of wonder, because today, we're not just learning. We're exploring a profound mystery that challenges everything we know about existence. Our journey begins almost 2,500 years ago with the birth of Mahayana Buddhism, one of the major branches of Buddhist philosophy. This phrase, form is emptiness, and emptiness is form, comes from a sacred Buddhist text known as the Heart Sutra. The Heart Sutra is an enigmatic text that's been recited, studied, and meditated upon by millions across generations. Its speaker is the Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara, known as the embodiment of compassion. In a dialogue with one of the Buddha's disciples, Avalokiteshvara reveals the core of Buddhist philosophy, sunyata, or emptiness. Form is emptiness, and emptiness is form isn't just a mystical phrase, it's a central teaching. Avalokiteshvara is saying that all forms, everything we see, touch, and feel, are ultimately empty. But emptiness doesn't mean nothingness. Instead, it means that forms have no inherent, independent existence. Everything we perceive is interconnected, fluid, and ultimately empty of a fixed, separate identity. It's easy to see why this idea can feel confusing, even unsettling. If everything is empty, does anything matter? And how can emptiness also be form? Well, that's where science, and specifically quantum physics, steps in to shed some light. Fast forward to the 20th century. Just as the Heart Sutra questioned the nature of existence, physicists began probing the fabric of reality on a tiny, subatomic scale. And guess what? The universe they found was nothing like the solid, reliable world we experience every day. The laws of quantum physics revealed a universe filled with uncertainty, where particles don't have a definite location or even existence until they're observed. What we call particles aren't really solid at all, they're just clouds of probability. The fundamental structure of the universe is surprise. Emptiness, or at least an empty field of potential. Atoms, the building blocks of matter, are 99.99999999999% empty space. The electrons that orbit a nucleus are almost like ghosts, flickering between wave-like and particle-like forms. So, just as the Heart Sutra suggests that form is emptiness, quantum physics shows us that even the most solid matter is fundamentally empty. Our world of separate, solid objects is an illusion, a practical, everyday one, but still an illusion. But there's more. Quantum physics doesn't just confirm that form is emptiness. It also shows us that emptiness is form. Confused yet? Stick with me. In the quantum world, particles don't become something until they are observed. This phenomenon, known as the observer effect, suggests that our conscious observation influences reality. Before observation, particles exist in a state of superposition, where they hold many possible states at once. This means that emptiness, the empty field of potential, can take form based on our observation. In other words, we as observers participate in creating reality, just as the Heart Sutra suggests that emptiness can become form. The implication here is staggering. At the deepest levels of existence, there's no independent, separate reality. There's only a universe that comes into form through our interaction with it. Both quantum physics and Buddhist philosophy show us that reality is deeply interconnected. The idea that anything exists independently is an illusion. Just as particles are connected through invisible fields and forces, Buddhism teaches us that all things arise together in interdependence. Imagine our world as a cosmic dance of energy, where every step impacts another. You, me, the mountains, and stars, all of it is one interwoven tapestry, manifesting and dissolving in an endless flow. As the philosopher Alan Watts once said, you are the universe experiencing itself. And this truth isn't just an idea, it's an invitation to see the world through a lens of wonder and gratitude. It depicts how deep meditation can unveil lots of things that our regular busy mind doesn't. Thank you for joining this journey through the mysteries of the Heart Sutra and the world of quantum physics. This wisdom challenges us to look beyond the surface, to embrace life's mystery, and see the interconnected dance that unites all things. If you enjoyed this exploration, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. And remember, the world is full of wonder. All we have to do is look beyond the form, into the emptiness, and then back to the form again. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and keep embracing the mystery that is you.